So FLOW500 comes in a solid polygon case. The system is expensive and it would be great to store it in a safe case. That's appreciated. Inside you find the transmitter, the receiver, along with other accessories, such as DC adapter, D-tape to lockable pull tape cable, and a cold shoe flexible arm. You can use it either with the receiver or the transmitter. Indeed, it's adjustable, so you can make the shape you like. Here I mounted the receiver with a small monitor. The flow unit feels premium, most probably built out of aluminum if I'm not mistaken. The transmitter weighed 235 grams, 8.3 ounces. And the receiver weight is very similar, 245 grams, 8.6 ounces. FLOW500 transmitter got 2 small Omni antennas, while the receiver got 4 of them. Both units feature an HDMI output, and the transmitter got an SDI input and SDI loop out. The receiver, on the other hand, has 2 SDI outputs, so it's possible to be connected to 2 monitors at the same time. I studied design in school, and I appreciate every piece of gear that has simple and attractive design. Look at the 500 emblem here, feels premium. Both units have OLED display and handy joystick controller. Additionally, the menu is simple and pretty straightforward. Both the transmitter and the receiver support Sony MPF batteries. I got here the smallest size, MPF 550. You can get a bigger one if you wish. Both units can be powered by DC power. One adapter comes in the box. And on the side of the receiver, we find the power switch button, along with a micro USB port in order to update the unit's firmware in the future, and the 3 lights indicators, link, video, and power light. So when both units turned on, will connect automatically, and you can switch also the wireless channels manually and pick one out of the 7 channels. Additionally, the system will automatically jump to the best wireless channel in case of interference. Next, we're testing latency delay. First, I'm gonna move my hand in front of the camera and check both the camera and the receiver feed. Another test I'm gonna do here by running a stopwatch and check that as well. The latency delay seems to be about 10 milliseconds, that's 0.1 second. FLOW500 transmission range is 150 meters, 500 feet line of sight. That means it got a radius of 300 meters when the transmitter is in the middle. Swit says the system has a stable connection at worst wireless environment, such as a stadium, a public place full of people, and where electronic devices or Wi-Fi router existed. And you know the world current situation at the moment, all events are cancelled, and the best shot I can do to test the transmission range is in my neighborhood. Swit FLOW500 has 150 meters transmission range, that's gonna be 500 feet, so I got myself outdoor to test the signal reception in line of sight. This street is about 250 meters and I will start walking from this point and check how far I can get. Let's do this. Alright, so with the FLOW500 I reached to more than expected, to about 200 meters. Interesting. Another test I'm gonna show you guys, and that's gonna be reception in closed areas. I will leave my apartment now, starting from the studio, where I am right now, to the corridor, passing through 2 or 3 concrete walls. I kept a video playing on my phone and I left the studio passing the first wall and second concrete wall. Next, I closed the apartment door, made of wood, and the transmission maintained strong across walls to about 40 meters, 130 feet. Most probably you will reach to a much farther distance between wood or plasterboards. Now I'll show you how to mount the system on a gimbal. Here I have Ronin S and Sony a7 III camera. So we have 2 mounting options though. The first one is on the top of the camera, which I don't really recommend cause it takes extra balancing time and effort and may not work with some setups and gimbals. The other option is to use a long cable and mount the transmitter on the side of the gimbal using a flexible arm or the gimbal rig if you have one. So if you're gonna use this setup on a gimbal, I highly recommend this technique, it's more effective. Alright guys, on this channel we make camera and filmmaking gear reviews, so if you are new here, consider subscribing for more. Thank you for watching guys, hit the like button if you find this video helpful, and let me know if you got something in the comment section down below. This was Oma, and see you in another one.